What if the only thing standing between you and the person you're meant to be is not a year, not a month, but the next 24 hours? And what if you've been running from that single day your entire life? You don't need 21 days to fix your life, not 90, not even 7. You need one day, one decision, one moment where you stop lying to yourself and finally do what needs to be done. Because the truth is, you don't need more time. You need more truth. You're not waiting for the right moment. You're hiding from it. And today, I'm going to give you something no one else will. Not a vague plan, not empty inspiration. A 24-hour system to reset your mind, your energy, and your direction. This isn't motivation. This is a surgical strike on your old self. This is war, and your war starts now. Step 1. Radical self-confinement. Pick one day, just one. This Saturday, tomorrow, today if you have the courage. And you go into total lockdown. Turn off your phone, not silent, off. No internet, no social media, no scrolling, no texting, no podcasts, no external noise. Just you and the four walls of your mind. Why such an extreme start? Because most people aren't broken. They're overstimulated. Their brain is a browser with 100 tabs open, all playing different videos. It has no space to think, no room to reflect, no oxygen to breathe. We are drowning in a sea of other people's voices, opinions, and highlights. The fastest way to find clarity is to go dead silent. If you can't spend one day alone with your own thoughts, you're not avoiding boredom. You're avoiding the confrontation you're most afraid of, the one with yourself. Step 2, the mirror ritual. Now comes the part everyone skips because it hurts. Stand in front of a mirror, a full-length one. Look into your own eyes, not at your hair, not at your skin, into your eyes. No music, no fake affirmations, just 5 minutes of brutal, uncomfortable stillness. And ask one question, just one. Who am I pretending to be? That's it. But ask it for real. Mean it. You'll feel it. A physical reaction. That sting in your chest, that tightness in your throat. That's your real self waking up from a long sleep. That's the cost of the performance. You've been playing a role for your friends, your family, the internet, and deep down, you've forgotten your own lines. This ritual isn't about confidence. It's about integrity. This is the day you stop being an actor in your own life. Step 3, destroy to rebuild. Grab a notebook, the cheapest one you have. Open it to a blank page. Now, write down 3 things with a pen that doesn't erase. 1. The habits that are slowly killing your potential. That midnight scroll. That I'll start Monday lie. That comfort food that makes you sluggish. 2. The places and relationships that drain your power and make you feel small. 3. The biggest lies you tell to be accepted. I'm fine. I'm happy where I am. I don't want that anyway. Look at that page. That is the blueprint of your old life. Now destroy it. Tear it out. Rip it to shreds. Burn it safely in a sink. This isn't drama. This is neuroscience. Writing creates awareness, but the physical act of destruction sends a primal message to your subconscious. We are not going back. That version of me is gone. You are making it irreversible. Step 4, the warrior hour. Now we move from mental to total, physical, mental, spiritual. Set a 60-minute timer. This is your sacred, non-negotiable warrior hour. First 20 minutes. Move your body. Run until your lungs burn. Do push-ups until your arms shake. Take a cold shower that shocks your system. This isn't about fitness. It's about reclaiming sovereignty over your physical vessel. Push your limits to remember you have limits you can command. Next 20 minutes, dump your mind. Grab that notebook again. Write everything you're feeling. Anger, fear, hope, regret. No filter, no grammar, no structure. Let the chaos inside you pour onto the page until it's empty. This is a brain detox. Final 20 minutes. Sit in absolute silence on the floor. No phone, no music, no guiding meditation. Just you, your breath, and the silence you created in step 1. Just exist. Just breathe. In this space, you'll feel it. A shift. A quiet, powerful sense of control, presence, and power you haven't felt in years. Step 5, the 9 p.m. rule. As your day closes, at 9 p.m., return to the mirror. Look into the same eyes, but this time, no questions, just a statement. Say this out loud. Thank you for showing up today. Not for being perfect, not for making massive progress, just for showing up with full intensity, for not running, hiding, or lying, for facing yourself. That is the rarest gift you can give yourself in this distracted world. You are not broken, you are simply buried. Buried under comfort, under fear, under the endless noise of a world that profits from your distraction. But one day, one honest, focused, intensely present day can change the trajectory of your entire life. Not because you became someone new, but because you finally had the courage to stop pretending to be someone you're not. If this hit you in the chest, don't you dare just scroll. Act. Fix yourself today. The clock starts now.